Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, got the VB up on the lift. We're gonna be doing some goodies today. We got a single exit Tomei going on. We're gonna do its first oil change. We're gonna do a fourth brake light, some rally armor mud flaps. Let's see what else. Maybe, I don't know. I have an ETS intake and a tune in the Cobb access port, but not sure if I want to do that yet. Might wait a little bit. It's got 3,000 miles on it. Not sure if I want to do that now or maybe wait a couple more oil changes or not. I also have a Mishimoto catch can. Might just slap that on in there for insurance reasons. You know, it's always safe to have a catch can, especially on turbo cars. Sorry, got dog hair all over my shirt. Yeah, so I'll set up the GoPro and we'll start taking off the Remark single exit. The Remark 4-inch double wall muffler deletes. It also has the RAE Intermediate Pipe on it. So we'll go ahead and do that. I'll insert some before clips with the Remark on here, and then I'll also do the Tomei clips too. So you get a little before and after. Maybe you can't decide which one you want to do. So yeah, let me get the GoPro set up and we'll go ahead from there. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we have the Remark 4-inch double wall. These are just 14 millimeter. Remember, always put the bolts and nuts in your pocket, never lose them. This exhaust is actually going to a buddy of mine. So maybe I just won't talk here. I'll just do a sped up clip. This tool's your friend. Since we had a little bit of an exhaust leak on this RAE Intermediate pipe. It's alright. Alright, so we're working with titanium. So that means glove change. You don't want oils. All right, so we're working with titanium, so you're gonna always want to wear gloves. You don't want to get fingerprints on it. Let me get this all unboxed, and then I'll come back and start the video again when we get it all unboxed and out. All right, so we got the hardware box. It's my first Tomei exhaust. I'm actually surprised at all the swag they gave you. A lot of companies, they charge you for like swag packages, but you get pretty much 2 of every color and every size sticker that they offer. They also give you a badge. I already put the badge on my toolbox. You get a nice little license plate bracket. I'm not going to use that. I'm thinking these are instructions. Maybe. Nope, install manual right there. You gotta scan it, little QR code. See what this is. Alright, so this looks like it's gonna be the muffler hanger. The rubber gasket that goes around the muffler hanger, some clamps. Oh, so they finally updated it. I did read online that the springs that they use, something causes a rattle, so it looks like they got a little rubber thing that goes over the springs. Some hardware, maybe some lubrication for something. There's some anti-seize paste, it looks like, Allen wrench, the springs, and some gaskets. Got the muffler, beautiful.
These beautiful things that I've done, things that I've done, these beautiful things that I've done, things that I've done. These beautiful things that I've got.
Yeah. So I'm sitting here editing this video from, I don't know, I think I took it June of last year, right before I got injured. Some of you know I ruptured my bicep and tore my left labrum in my shoulder. So I'm finally getting around to being able to sit at the desk, and my shoulder doesn't hurt as much while sitting here resting on the desk. But I realized I forgot to film an outro. So I'll give you my thoughts on the Tomei versus the Remark. All right, so when it comes to the Remark exhaust, the cold starts are loud. I mean, very, very loud. It almost sounds like a trumpet, to be honest. I know a lot of people shove pool noodles in the back of, in the tips as a silencer for them, because, you know, the Tomei has the actual silencer you can clamp in. But I don't know, I do like the dual look, you know, the quad tips of the Remark, but the Tomei at first cold start after install, I was thoroughly disappointed. It sounded like a, I don't know, 03 Eclipse from the Fast and Furious. It didn't have the tone I expected. I mean, obviously it's not an EJ, it's a, you know, FA24, so I was actually concerned. I almost put the Remarks back on, but after talking to a couple people, they stated, you know, this muffler needs to break in like a long time. And it took me about a month to 2 months. I drive very short distances back and forth to work. It's literally, I don't know, 20 miles, and the exhaust doesn't really get hot. But after about 2 months, it broke in and it got to the perfect sound. I honestly think the Tomei Single Exhaust with the RAE pipe, or any intermediate pipe that's out there on the market, I think PLM makes one, Aeroflow Dynamics makes one. I think the Tomei is one of the best sounding. I heard of the Noble one, but it's kind of tinny sounding, if you know what I mean. It's a lot thinner wall than the Tomei, so I think that's why it sounds more tinny. But if I could change anything about the Tomei, I think I would try to do a resonator delete. I wish they just would come up with a pipe that you can buy for the resonator delete. I think it would sound a lot better. I'm toying with the ideas of doing unequal length headers, but, you know, positives, negatives, I guess, with that. Definitely want to do a J pipe. I was looking at the SMY, I think. They're out in New York. I heard that they're one of the ones that don't really throw a check engine light. They have, I think, a 500 cell catalytic converter, high flow built in. But yeah, so those are my thoughts on the Remark versus the Tomei. If you guys want to see anything else, let me know. I don't know what mod I'm going to do next. I ended up installing the ETS intake and the Cobb tune with a D-Man OTS tune for the ETS intake. I didn't film anything on that, but the difference is great. I'm peaking like 19 pounds of boost now. Definitely recommend that. But I'm not sure what else I'm gonna have for some content coming out. Trying to think what I have downstairs in the garage that needs to be installed. I got coilovers. I got some Silvers Neo Max coilovers. You see those coming up. Some NK TSV wheels, but I'm probably gonna do a lot of stuff after the winter, so early spring. I'm filming this. It is, what day is it? February 9th. So maybe early March, mid-March, maybe I'll do coilovers, wheels. What else do I have some stuff for? I have a Perrin stainless steel clutch line, Perrin shift stop, and a Perrin brain fart. I don't know, my sister got me all this stuff for Christmas. She got me the Perrin stainless steel clutch line. She got me the detent kit, the ones that give the springs a little stiffer shifts. And then she got me the clutch delay valve delete. So I have that stuff coming up. I still have the Mishimoto catch can. But yeah, I mean, the car's so low miles. Ever since I got hurt, I haven't driven it since July of last year, really. I drove it for a month in between shoulder and bicep surgery. But yeah, I mean, it's been sitting since November. My sister takes it to work once a week for me just to keep it, running and all that jazz. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and see you later.